Most people are spending hundreds, even thousands on laptops they don't actually need. In this video, I'm counting down 5 tablets that can handle everything a laptop does for real-world tasks. And by the time we reach number 1, you'll seriously question why you ever bought one. We're talking practical use, real people, and tablets that make laptops look completely overkill. At number 5, we have the Amazon Fire HD 10 is proof that most people overpay for laptops they don't need. Sitting around $120 to $150, it's a simple, no-frills tablet. But that's exactly what makes it surprisingly powerful for everyday life. It has a 10.1-inch Full HD screen, a decent octa-core processor, and 3 GB of RAM. None of that screams pro level, but here's the deal. Most people spend their day scrolling social media, streaming Netflix or Prime Video, checking emails, or opening a few Google Docs. The Fire HD 10 handles all of that like a champ. The speakers are loud in daylight. Battery life is solid, easily lasting 10 to 12 hours even with moderate multitasking, which is already better than a lot of cheap laptops. For students, it's perfect for reading PDFs, taking quick notes, and watching recorded lectures. Casual users can manage social media, light browsing, and video calls without frustration. Remote workers who mainly use email and Google Docs could even get by without a laptop. The real kicker? People shell out $500 to $700 for laptops that do nothing more than this tablet, while being heavier, slower, and louder. The Fire HD 10 proves that for practical, everyday usage, a tablet this cheap can already replace a laptop for most people. Sure, it struggles with complex multitasking or professional apps, and the Amazon Fire OS is limited compared to Android or iPad OS. But if you're honest about your daily routines, those are non-issues. This tablet exposes the absurdity of buying a laptop just to be safe when you don't actually need it. At number 4, we have the Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus is where tablets start feeling like real laptop replacements. It costs $180 to $250 and comes with an 11-inch display running at 90 Hz, a Snapdragon 695 processor, and up to 8 GB of RAM. Unlike the Fire HD 10, this tablet feels fluid. Apps open fast, scrolling is smooth, and switching between apps doesn't freeze or reload everything. That's a game changer for students juggling research tabs, notes, and video lectures simultaneously. The AMOLED-style screen makes colors pop for media consumption, so binge-watching shows or YouTube tutorials is actually enjoyable rather than eye-straining. What's underrated is how versatile it is. It has split-screen multitasking and pop-up windows that actually work. You can run a note-taking app while referencing a PDF and even handle video calls without constantly minimizing windows. Battery life lasts a full day without stress, and the build quality feels surprisingly solid for the price. The Tab A9 Plus is ideal for students managing research projects, casual office workers handling emails and documents, and anyone who wants media plus light productivity without the bulk of a laptop. The controversial part? People still buy cheap laptops that lag, crash, or overheat because they think they need a laptop. In reality, this tablet covers the same tasks faster, lighter, and with fewer headaches. The trade-offs are minor. It won't run professional creative software, and high-end gaming is out. But for everyday life, it's already enough. At number 3, the Xiaomi Redmi Pad Pro takes things a step further, proving that tablets can actually outperform laptops for real-world productivity. At $250 to $350, you get a massive 12.1-inch display with a 120 Hz refresh, a Snapdragon 7S Gen 2 processor, and a battery that can survive all day of heavy use. This isn't just about bigger screen real estate. It's about creating an environment where multitasking becomes intuitive. You can watch lectures on one side, type notes on the other, and scroll reference material without slowdowns. The tablet is surprisingly thin and lightweight, making it portable enough to carry around a campus, cafe, or office without feeling like dead weight. It's ideal for students juggling assignments, remote workers handling multiple documents and video calls, or casual creators who want light editing or note-taking capability. The unique aspect here is the screen size combined with the high refresh rate. It actually makes multitasking feel practical, which is where most laptops at this price point fail. Battery life and heat management are impressive. You can push it for hours without throttling or overheating, unlike many cheap laptops that slow down after a couple of hours. Trade-offs? It won't run heavy Photoshop or Premiere projects, and storage is limited compared to laptops, but for 90% of users, that's irrelevant. The Redmi Pad Pro forces you to question why you're still carrying around a laptop when this tablet already handles almost everything you do in a lighter, faster, and more comfortable way. People overpaying for laptops for tasks this can handle is frankly absurd. At number 2 spot, the Lenovo Idea Tab Pro is where tablets start to truly challenge the laptop monopoly. Costing $350 to $450, it features a 12.7-inch display, stable multitasking, and a stylus that actually enhances productivity. You can jot notes, annotate PDFs, sketch diagrams, or brainstorm ideas faster than trying to do the same thing on a laptop trackpad or touchscreen. Battery life is a full day without panic, and the tablet stays cool even under heavy use. It's portable, light, and surprisingly durable for its size. Who is it best for? Students who take detailed lecture notes, remote workers who manage multiple documents and video calls, casual office users, and light creatives who want the flexibility to sketch, plan, or annotate without firing up a laptop. The unique selling point is that it combines large screen real estate, multitasking, and stylus functionality in a way laptops in this price range can't touch. The controversial truth is that laptops in this category are heavy, noisy, and less intuitive, yet people buy them out of habit or marketing hype. This tablet handles almost every task a laptop does with the added benefit of portability, touchscreen, and stylus support. Trade-offs? High-end 3D design or professional video editing isn't practical here, but for the vast majority of users, that's irrelevant. The Lenovo Idea Tab Pro proves you don't need a laptop to be productive, and if you're still lugging one around, you're overpaying for something that offers less convenience and versatility. Finally, the top pick. The Apple iPad 11th Gen is the ultimate proof that laptops are completely overkill for most people. At $450 to $600, it comes with the A16 chip, an 11-inch liquid retina display, and performance that handles everything from multitasking to light creative work effortlessly. Apps open instantly, multitasking flows smoothly, and pairing it with a keyboard and Apple Pencil turns it into a full-fledged productivity device. Students can take lecture notes, annotate PDFs, reference multiple sources, and write essays, all without ever touching a laptop. Remote workers can manage emails, documents, spreadsheets, and even light graphic work without frustration. What's provocative is how this exposes the myth that you need a laptop to be productive. Most laptops in the $500 to $800 range are heavier, slower, noisier, and less convenient for everyday life. The iPad is lightweight, portable, and optimized to run apps seamlessly, making daily workflows faster and less stressful. Battery life lasts all day, the screen is bright and crisp, and the device just works. The controversial truth is that if you're still buying a laptop because you need one, you're likely overpaying for something that adds no real value to your life. Creative apps, video calls, streaming, research, document editing, note-taking, all of that is fully handled by this iPad. It's practical, efficient, and versatile in ways that a laptop simply can't match for 90% of users. This device isn't just good, it makes you question why anyone would spend more on a bulky, complicated, and slower machine that doesn't improve real-world productivity. And that's it. 5 tablets that prove most laptops are completely unnecessary. If you're still carrying around a heavy, overpriced machine just to check emails, stream videos, or take notes, it's time to rethink your setup. These tablets handle real work, real study, and real life without the extra hassle, And honestly, they do it better than most laptops. If you learned something new, or if this video made you question your laptop purchase, drop a comment. I want to know which tablet you'd actually pick over a laptop.